guys, it's time for another Poshmark Q&A. I'm filming this like towards the end of the day, so if my makeup is clear and my lashes are hair, that's why. Okay, let's not focus on that. Let's focus on the questions at hand. All right, here we go. I wanted to address this comment first. In a previous Q&A video, I told you guys, well, somebody asked me my thoughts on the coronavirus and if I thought it's going to affect reselling and all this and I said yes, I think it will affect reselling. It is affecting my reselling. You know, my sales have just been very slow. I actually filmed a what sold this week video, and that will probably be up before this video, so I'll link it down below if you're interested. But yeah, sales are very slow. But this person left a comment, and you know, I like it, and I wanna read it to y'all because it's true. So she said, Diane said, people still need clothes, shoes, and home goods. Now they cannot afford brand new. Brilliantly said. Yes, I feel like when people do buy stuff, they're going to be looking to buy used stuff because, you know, you're right. People can't afford to buy new stuff right now because, you know, of not working or, you know, whatever the situation is. So I thought that was a very good perspective, and I just wanted to mention that in this video. So, you know, if you're reselling right now and things are slow, don't give up. It's slow for everyone. It's not just you. But don't give up. Don't give up. Another question was, can you do a what sold this week video? And yes, I already filmed one. So like I said, I'm pretty sure that video will be out before this video, so I will link it below. And then I had somebody else ask me, can you do a thrift with me video, or can you do thrift with me videos once this quarantine is up? And yes, I can. Yes, that'll be really, really fun. I will definitely do those videos. It'll be a lot of fun. I move my hands a lot. This question, I'm so glad I found your channel. This cracked me up. Now, I have a question. I'm considering starting up a closet. Would you consider this to be a good or bad time to do so? And I think it's kind of both. You know, my advice, if you want to start up a Poshmark closet right now, I would advise you to try to sell the things that you already have first and see how that works out. I wouldn't go out and like, well, you can't really go out unless you're like sourcing online because thrift stores are closed. But you know, I wouldn't purchase like a lot of inventory up front. I would just like dip your toes in and see how that goes. But know that yes, things are very slow right now and it is kind of a bad time. But it's also a good time because, you know, you got people that still want to buy stuff, and like somebody else commented, you know, they're gonna buy used as opposed to new, and then you have people that aren't buying stuff. So it's a bad and a good time. I say go for it. I say dip your toes in, see what happens. But start with like selling stuff from your own closet and then just see what happens. All right, next question. When do you source on Poshmark? Do you only do that when you have free credits? I don't have any credits, but I just bought a pink colored Victoria's Secret pink hoodie for $10 after shipping. This chick was selling it for $3. It's listed as gently used, and she said there's no stains. She's literally giving it away. She's making 5 cents. I kind of want to keep it for myself. I was looking for a Victoria's Secret hoodie, but I want a light blue one. I only got this one because of the price. I did check out your closet, by the way, but I didn't see any light blue size smalls in a style that I like. Is it worth it to pay $10 for a hoodie to resell, or should I keep it? I'd want to make at least 15 if I sell it. Otherwise, I'd keep it, so I'd have to sell it for 30 plus. Okay, so to answer your first question, yeah, I always have credits on Poshmark because you guys sign up using my referral code, and every time somebody does that, I get a $10 credit. So yes, I only buy stuff on Poshmark when I have credits. I currently have, I'll show you guys. For pending credits, I currently have $3,845. No focus, there we go. There we go. I do really only shop on Poshmark when I have credits. My husband's outside playing with the kids and he just ran up to the window and banged on the window. All right, what was your other question? Hold on, let me find your comment. I lost it. Where did it go? I lost it. So you bought a hoodie for $10 after shipping. I would probably keep that for myself because like you said, you would have to try to sell it for like 30 bucks. And I found that, like I sell a lot of pink Victoria's Secret, and I found that my hoodies aren't selling for as much as they used to. And this started happening before this whole pandemic thing, so I can't really blame it on that. So yeah, in your case, I would probably just keep it for myself. I do that often. I do that too often. I find like cute ass, and not just shopping on Poshmark, like shopping at the thrift in general. I find like cute ass things like this sweatshirt right here. Cute ass, and I'm keeping it for myself. What was I gonna say? Oh, so when I buy stuff on Poshmark, I try to bundle as much as I can because I find that you get more bang for your buck when you bundle. But you know, like you got a really good deal on this hoodie, so I would probably just keep it for myself. That would be my advice. Otherwise, you know, I mean, you can try to sell it for like 30 bucks plus, but unless it's like a rare sweatshirt, then you probably won't sell for like 30 plus bucks. So, all right. Next question. You're super funny. Keep being you. Oh, thank you. Oh, this person bought from my closet. I don't know your first name. I recognize your username though, and I think you purchased twice from me. Twice, I think. Okay, she asks, what are your top 3 items that you like to thrift? Hoodies, for sure. I have like a lot of hoodies in my closet. I'm really getting into denim now, and shoes. So yeah, hoodies, denim, and shoes, for sure. Next question, love your videos. Actually just started watching your other channel also. Your girls are adorable. Thank you. Could you do a video about YouTube with some tips and tricks for people wanting to start a YouTube channel? Girl, can I? Yes, I can. Yeah, I've done videos like that in the past, but you know, it's 2020. We're in the middle of a freaking like movie. Like, I feel like we're living in a movie right now with this whole pandemic. It feels like a movie. It really does. So yes, I will do a video coming soon with tips on how to start a YouTube channel. 2020, you know, knowing what I know. I've been on YouTube. I created my account in 2006. My mom's calling me. I didn't make my first video until 2008. So I've been around. I know the ins and outs of YouTube. So yes, I will definitely make a video. Next question. I'm getting a lot of lowball offers right now. Are you, and how are you handling them? Yes, absolutely. I am. So I actually have a pair of sneakers for sale. I have them listed for $35. I got an offer for $7. So I had them listed for $35. They offered $7. I countered back at $30, and they declined the $30. And then I sent them an offer for $25 and $4.99 shipping, and they declined that as well. They didn't want to pay more than $7 for a pair of shoes, and these are in like really, really good condition too. And then what else? I got another really lowball offer. Oh, somebody offered me $6 on this pair of shorts that I had listed for $10, and I just accepted the offer just because I've had the shorts listed for a while. Somebody just offered me $15 for something that I have listed for $25. So that's not too bad. That's still kind of low. But yes, I am getting a lot of lowball offers, and you can't really blame people at the moment. You can't really blame people in general, because who doesn't love a deal? Don't you want to get a deal on things that you buy? You can't really blame them. And you know, I know it gets frustrating because, you know, you want to make a profit, you want to sell things for as much as you can, but just don't let it get to you. You know, play the counter game. Never decline an offer. Don't do it. Don't do it. I definitely recommend playing the counter game because you never know what can happen. You never know. You might miss out on a sale. Next question is, hi, thank you so much for your videos. You're so fun and entertaining. Oh, thank you, Alexis. I'm 18, a Posh ambassador. I'm going to college next year. I don't know what to do. I'll be out of state, and I don't know if I should just put my closet on vacation mode when I'm at school. Do you have any advice? Focus on school. That would be my advice. You'll be out of state. Okay, you did say you'll be out of state. So you'll probably be living in a dorm, and you probably don't want to keep your inventory in a dorm, you know? So yeah, my advice would be to focus on school because you're probably paying a lot of money for school, you know? So, I mean, you could bring, you know, some of your inventory with you and, you know, work with that. Or yeah. Geez, any advice? I don't know. That's tough because, like I said, you're probably paying a lot of money for school, so I would think school would take a priority over Poshmark right now, you know? So, yeah, I think if I were you, I might try to bring, like, some things with me and keep up my closet. I wouldn't want to put it fully on vacation mode. I don't know, that's just me. That's really hard. I don't know if you should take my advice with that because that's really hard. That's a hard question. I don't know, Alexis. I don't know. Next question. Can you explain why Poshmark would be better when the fees are double what Mercari's fees are? Is it just because of the priority shipping? Do you sell on Mercari yourself? Thanks for your informative videos. Okay, so I've tried selling things on Mercari, and yeah, I don't know. Shipping on Mercari is more expensive than shipping on Poshmark. And you're right, fees on Mercari are less. So it's kind of like, it's like a trade-off. Like I like Poshmark because I've built a following on Poshmark, and I've been doing it well, I've been on Poshmark for 4 years, but I've been selling full-time for a year now. And I like it. It's very easy. I like the social aspect of it, although sometimes it gets to be too much, but I like, you know, interacting with other people. Mercari doesn't really have a social aspect of it. You just list your things and then, you know, I don't know. Maybe I'll do a video breaking down the two, because I feel like there's so many like pros and cons to each platform. So I think that would be a really good video to do, actually. I'm gonna put that in my list of videos to film. Okay, so that is it. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. You can send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It's KeepinItRad. You'll get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.